Hey, travel enthusiasts! As we approach the end of 2024, it's time to ask yourself, are you ready to squeeze in one last epic adventure this year? Whether you're looking for snow-capped mountains, sun-kissed beaches, or vibrant cities, I've got you covered. But hold on, let's be real for a second. How many of us have said we'll travel more this year and then life happened? Deadlines, chores, and Netflix binges took over, right? Well, fear not. Today, we're diving into the best places to visit before 2024 ends. And trust me, you won't want to miss out on these incredible experiences. Our number 10 is the enchanting city of Kyoto, Japan. Picture yourself wandering through ancient temples, serene gardens, and vibrant markets. The cherry blossoms may be gone, but the autumn foliage will leave you breathless. Visit the Kinkaku-ji, or Golden Pavilion, which shimmers like a jewel against the backdrop of colorful leaves. And hey, if you bump into a geisha, don't forget to practice your best bow. It might just earn you a smile, or at least a confused look. Imagine sipping matcha tea while taking in the tranquility of a Zen garden. It's a perfect escape from the chaos of daily life. Don't let this year slip away without experiencing the magic of Kyoto. Next, number 9, is we head to the vibrant streets of Barcelona, Spain. From the whimsical architecture of Gaudí to the lively atmosphere of La Rambla, this city is a feast for the senses. Picture this. You're indulging in tapas while soaking up the Mediterranean sun, and suddenly you hear the sounds of live music wafting through the air. Pause. Just don't ask me to dance flamenco. My skills are about as good as a cat on a hot tin roof. Be sure to explore the stunning Sagrada Familia and take a stroll through the colorful Park Güell. Each corner of Barcelona has a story to tell, and you'll want to soak it all in before the year ends. Ready for a little adventure? Let's journey to number 8, Petra, Jordan, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Imagine stepping into a lost city carved into rose-red cliffs where ancient history comes to life. As you walk through the Siq, the narrow gorge leading to the treasury, the excitement builds. You might just feel like an archaeologist uncovering a hidden gem. And remember, if you hear the sound of drums, it's not just your heart racing. It might be the locals inviting you to a Bedouin feast. Visiting Petra is like walking through a time machine. Make sure to grab some souvenirs because your friends will definitely want to see proof that you stood in front of one of the world's most iconic sites. Next, number 7 is the stunning capital of Reykjavik, Iceland. Known for its otherworldly landscapes, this is the place to chase the northern lights before the year closes. Imagine standing under a sky painted with greens and purples, feeling as if the universe is putting on a show just for you. Pause for emphasis. And if you think that's magical, wait until you soak in the Blue Lagoon. Trust me, it's like bathing in a giant hot tub of relaxation. With its quirky culture and friendly locals, Reykjavik offers a unique blend of adventure and comfort. Just be prepared for some unpredictable weather. One minute it's sunny, and the next, you're in a snowstorm. Welcome to Iceland now. Let's hop over to New York City, the city that never sleeps. The vibrant streets are buzzing with energy, and there's no shortage of things to do. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the serene beauty of Central Park, NYC has something for everyone. And if you're a foodie, you'll want to grab a slice of New York pizza faster than you can say cheese. Don't forget to take a stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge at sunset for jaw-dropping views of the skyline. It's a picture-perfect moment you'll cherish forever. Just don't forget to dodge the tourists while capturing that Instagram shot. Up next number is 5, the breathtaking island of Santorini, Greece. Famous for its stunning sunsets and iconic whitewashed buildings, this destination is the definition of paradise. Imagine sipping on a glass of local wine while watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Pause. Just be careful not to spill it while trying to capture that perfect shot for social media. Explore the charming villages of Oya and Fira, and don't miss the chance to relax on the unique black sand beaches. Santorini is a romantic escape that'll leave you dreaming long after you've returned home. Next, number 4. Let's fly to Cape Town, South Africa. Nestled between the mountains and the ocean, this city offers breathtaking views at every turn. Hike up Table Mountain for panoramic vistas that'll make you feel like you're on top of the world. Literally. And if you're not up for a hike, take the cable car and enjoy the ride with a view. Just don't be that person who accidentally drops their phone from the top. Your friends will never let you live it down. Visit the Cape of Good Hope and soak in the stunning landscapes. And make sure to try some local dishes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Now number 3, let's transport ourselves to the enchanting city of Istanbul, Turkey. Here, East meets West in a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. Explore the majestic Hagia Sophia and the stunning Blue Mosque. You'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. And if you love shopping, the Grand Bazaar is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Just remember, bartering is part of the experience. Don't be shy to haggle a bit. Indulge in mouth-watering Turkish delights and sip on some traditional tea while soaking up the rich history that surrounds you. Are looking for some relaxation? Welcome to the Maldives. This tropical paradise is the perfect place to unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine lounging on pristine white sand beaches, surrounded by crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. It's like living in a postcard. And if you're feeling adventurous, try snorkeling or diving to explore the underwater wonders. Just don't be surprised if a curious turtle decides to join you for a swim. Whether you choose a luxurious resort or a cozy guest house, the Maldives offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you rejuvenated before the year ends. Finally, not the least number 1, let's celebrate the vibrant energy of Mumbai, India. Known as the City of Dreams, Mumbai is a melting pot of cultures, flavors, and experiences. Stroll along Marine Drive while soaking in the sea breeze, and don't forget to try some street food. But beware, the spice levels can make even the bravest traveler sweat. Visit the iconic Gateway of India and take a ferry to Elephanta Island to explore ancient caves. Mumbai is a city that never stops moving, and it's the perfect destination to wrap up your year with a bang. So there you have it, the best places to visit before 2024 ends. Each destination offers its unique charm, adventure, and experiences that are sure to create lasting memories. Which place are you most excited to visit? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, life is short, so travel often and make the most of every moment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring and let your adventures take you where your heart desires.